The trend of remote working is not going anywhere, and this trend is all set to rise. This trend of remote work over the last few years motivated the developer community to explore new ways to collaborate and search for new tools to address the productivity challenge that arise from the lasting change. Google has been doing a lot of work when it comes to increasing the productivity of the developers. And that is why they have made a conscious shift to remote collaboration tools offered in the Google Cloud. And while they are doing it, they understand that it is both technically and culturally challenging, and because this is a distributed way of work which also brings new security risks such as data exfiltration. Development teams are very conscious about this, and they're asking for tooling that is user friendly while enforcing high security standards without hampering any productivity. And that is where Cloud Workstation in Google Cloud comes very handy. It is a key part of the software delivery shield offering to help address the challenge of security without hampering productivity. Now, cloud workstations are generally available in the Google Cloud, and these cloud workstations enable faster developer onboarding and increased developer productivity while helping support your compliance requirement with an enhanced security posture. Cloud Workstation addresses the varied needs of enterprise technology teams. Developers can access powerful, secure, and customizable development environments from anywhere using a browser, local IDE, or terminal with support for many tools and libraries. Administrators and platform teams can easily provision, scale, manage, and secure development environments for their development teams, helping automate everyday tasks and enabling greater efficiency and security. So Cloud Workstation enable the developers to achieve faster developer onboarding, as I mentioned, and also consistent development environment, and then a level of confidence that teams are using security hardened systems. Now, getting developers started on a new project can take days or even weeks, with much of that time spent setting up the development environment. But this cloud workstation provide a managed solution for creating and managing development environments where administrators can set up one or more workstation configurations, defining a template for their team's environment. Updating or patching hundreds of thousands of development environments is as simple as updating their workstation configuration and letting Cloud Workstation handle the updates. So developers can then create workstation on demand by simply selecting among the configurations to which they were granted access. This really makes it easy to ensure consistency among environments, giving the developers the confidence that they are using the right versions of tooling and libraries. Another cool thing is POSIT Workbench RS Studio Pro support if you are into it, because many professional R users and data science teams using R and Python, and they prefer POSIT Workbench. So if you want to use it in your cloud workstation, it is available now. And a lot of companies have already been using it, and I would highly encourage that if you are interested in the managed workstation, then give this Google Cloud Workstation a try. I hope that this was useful. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.